Scrape the sides. Now the cake mix. Dump all of this cake mix right in here. These are simple. Just like that. Same up the batter. Nothing else. Don't add no water, no milk, nothing. Just the same. Look at it now. See that? Scrape. That's what you're looking for. This is the batter. Just give it a little scraping. So instead of the oil, I added the butter. So that's what you're gonna use. Red velvet cookies. So 4